Yeah, I bought this 3 nozzle set. I have another one on a gas can someplace from Amazon for like 15 bucks. It has both the fine thread for the older like Blitz gas cans. I like them best. Or the newer coarse thread it's totally different. I can almost push this thing on there. It's slightly bigger and it's coarser thread, so it literally pushes right on. So what I did was I found this kit. I didn't know if anyone actually sold them, but this was split right here when I bought this gas can for $1 at the flea market. So I found this kit with 3 nozzles and all the other correct parts to put it on the coarse thread or fine thread gas cans. It also came with 3 vents you can add to it, which I do it on every one of my gas cans. You can also put on the caps, like this has a little thing to hold the cap on there, or it has a loose cap with a little like zip tie thing around it. I don't know how you're going to use that, but you'd have some spare caps. For the older Blitz gas caps, I just take a 1/2 inch PVC cap, put it on there. You could just take some plastic cement and make a little ring and loop it through that hole right there. If you had some zip ties, or some of these would work fine. That way you don't lose that. But these are so cheap anyhow. I don't lose them anyhow. Then you can leave that on there. One thing I did buy from China, I ordered more of these gaskets. They seem kind of flimsy. They're like 10 for $1.25 shipped. And I might use, I think, Seal-All glue around it. It's gasoline-proof glue to glue this onto that, because it seems like it comes off pretty easily. But we'll go show how to put on the vent caps and wrap up this video in a couple steps. We're going to be putting a vent in this $2 gas can I got away on a drill away from the parting line. I've seen people split it right at the parting line before, so we'll start at like a 1/4 inch, go to 5 at 15, 30 seconds, then a 1/2 inch. The largest part right above this little ring there is 0.510 about, so it's slightly over a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to drill it to a 1/2 inch. Should be snug in there. I maybe have to round it out for it to fit. I don't think so, but we'll just take the drill and see how it goes. Drilled out the hole to a 1/2 inch. Hopefully this will just press right in. No. Yeah, I might have to bore that out a little bit, because that is like 10 thousandths over on the part right here, and it has to go past that little shoulder right there too. Yeah, I just wheeled it a little bit in there. Hopefully this will pop right in there. Yep, popped right in there. Yep, that's good. So now we have a vent on that gas can. I put them on every one of them. I'm sick of them guggling when you put it on there. Also, don't be a dumbass dumping gas on a bonfire or charcoal barbecue or whatever, unless you like going up in flames. That's the whole point of why they don't have a vent there and they had the screen inside there, and why Blitz is no longer in business. They got sued by the freaking idiots that burn themselves up. So don't be a dumbass. Don't dump gas on a fire